this one was the last problem that we have discussed. So in this particular question, okay, uh, it was given that the front view and top view of a square pyramid was pentagonal pyramid was given to you. Okay, the similar way, if the front view of and top view of a pentagonal pyramid was given to you in the question paper, so there will be a possibility that these measurements were not taken, the actual measurements were not taken while drawing this drawing. So the first thing you have to do is, whatever the given to you in the question, you need to draw in the drawing sheet. After drawing that, uh, the things you know, you need to draw the isometric drawing you can get from the here. For example, I am talking about this particular question. Okay, so what you need to draw, you need to draw the isometric view of a pentagonal pyramid. This square, first you need this square. Okay, so this square you can get while drawing the actual dimensions of that pentagon. The similar way, suppose you are marking the point, marking the points of a smaller pentagon also with the help of a square, then you need that smaller square also. And also what you need is the distance of the sides of the squares. The similar way, if there is a need of things, then I will tell you in the uh, particular examples that we are going to see. So in the next question, it is given that the square pyramid of a 30 mm base side and 50 mm long axis is centrally placed on the top of a cube of a 50 mm long edges. Draw isometric view of a pair. So in this question, what you first need to draw is the cube, because the square pyramid is on the top of the cube. So first you can draw the cube. So it is very easy to draw a cube. So first you can draw the base of the cube, then the edges and the top of the cube, and all these lines have a length of a 50 mm. Okay, so in this particular question I am drawing these two lines with the help of a 2H pencil, because they will be a square pyramid on the top of a cube, so maybe some portion of this side uh, may be invisible, and these two lines are at the front, so of course these two lines will be visible to you. Okay, so the in this question, particular question, the orientation of a square pyramid is not given to you. So I am taking the corner points of a square pyramid just in front of these corner points. Okay, so I can draw the base of the square pyramid. Then the axis of a square pyramid is 50 mm long. Okay, so first I will draw the axis of a square pyramid. Then I will join all the corner points of the base with the help from the top of the axis with the help of a straight line. Okay, and whatever the portion is visual to you, you can draw it with the help of a HB pencil like this. So in the next question, it is given that the square pyramid of a 40 mm base side and 60 mm axis is cut by an inclined section plane through the midpoint of the axis as shown. Draw isometric view of a section of a pyramid. Okay, so this question is given to you. Okay, so square pyramid is given to you, and section plane is cutting the square pyramid through the midpoint of the axis, and all these points are given to you. Okay, so in this question also you can see this particular uh, diagram. You need to draw in the drawing sheet first, so you can get the all the measurements correct.